be scared too. Yeah, man, we on the road today. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, the G got some new wheels, bro. As you know, that was on my birthday wish list. I know my birthday was August 8th. And if you didn't wish me a happy birthday, make sure you wish me a happy birthday now in the comment section. I am a Leo, and we the best. But yeah, we on the road right now. We gonna just do a little POV real quick. And then after the POV, I might show you my tires and I might not. But we finna hop on the highway. Real quick. See what the vibes is on the highway. What kind of cars are on the highway? Yeah, man. Hop on the highway and see what's going on. I know y'all missed me in the G, but we're back and we better. Just dropped a video on my main channel, A Day in the Life, and tell y'all where I've been at. That's what I've been doing. Been trying to start up my business, do a whole bunch of other shit. So let's get to it, man. We're on the road, man. Let's do it. POV, we not on the GoPro today. We just on the phone with it. Enough highway action. You about to pass the state troopers. Can't be so hot over here, man. We're gonna go a little slower over here. Left and go downtown, and we're gonna just vibe out downtown. I'm gonna show y'all the wheels. And yeah, man, let's take this. Yo, G37 got the best downshift. Other than the turbos, they got the best downshift, bro. I ain't gonna lie. about to go downtown. Downtown, we're gonna go to Bass Pro, and we're gonna show you how the wheels when we get there. Out our destination. Come on. Well, I got my signal on right now. Let's go on DS and see how it sounds. DS is nice too. Let me know what y'all think. DS or manual mode, like actual manual mode sounds better. I think manual mode sound better. Cause you can like redline that hoe. That DS ain't gonna let you do shit. When it says don't turn on red, do you turn on red? Let me know, cause I do. Back it up, and we gotta show y'all how this car look. Oh shit, what was that? Before anything, let me know what wheels you think I got. Before I show you, comment down below right now. Let me know what wheels you think I got. Ready for the countdown? 1, 2, 3. Boom! As you can see, G37 got the Q50 Red Sport rims on it. Painted calipers. Yeah, man. Got these things. It just changed the whole look of the car. Mind you, this ain't even the full effect. I'm gonna give you the full effect now. Let me pop the trunk. Pop the trunk like y'all niggas. Oh, shit. I left the freaking shit. Damn. Oh, man. I was gonna get you out of the full effect. Damn. I'm gonna have to put this cover on it. Cause it's all the same shit. Yeah, let me just put this on a rag. And I'm gonna show you how it look. Put this on a rag for y'all. Boom! As you can see, it changed the whole tire. Put that tire shine on it. Make sure y'all get that coverall. Tell coverall sponsor me. So yeah, man. G37 got the Q50 Red Sport wheels. Let me know in the comment section what y'all think how it looks. I think it looks good. Just let me know what you think. Let me know what you think, cause I think it look good. But yeah, man. That's the end of the video. I just want to show you guys the Red Sport wheels. Let me know if this is the right setup for you, and let me know if you would get these on your car yourself. I did spray paint these, or paint them, repaint them, because it was a little scratched up, but they look good. I think the color combo looks good with that baby purple caliper, as you can see. Because I also did that. I do have a video dropping how I did that on my car. But yeah, man. As usual, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and beat that out.